Hello! Happy Friday! We made it! So today I'm going to play Cold Canary Gaslight by Marty O'Reilly. This one was suggested by Dan Steele. Never heard of this guy before, never heard this song before, but I really dig it. He's got some great lyrics. I like it so much, in fact, that I'm going to do a straight rendition on this song. So I've maintained his lyrics, but I've basically changed everything else. Tried to make it a little darker and not so ethereal. So yeah, here is my version of Cold Canary Gaslight. I hope you enjoy. He reads like a Bible, acts just like a birdcage, roars like an engine dying out on a burnt rage. You can blow out all the candles and fire up the limelight. She looks through him with the cold canary gaslight. Oh, sister, don't you look at what I've done. Oh, sister, don't you look at what I've done. Father's at the front door, dusting off the floor mat, brittle like a stick bark, tired like his old hat. Used to wonder how a young boy travels to a grown man. Said he walked the water, but he was dancing on quicksand. Oh, Father, don't you look at what I've done. Oh, Father, don't you look at what I've done. And you see me tearing up the floorboards, white sheets covered you. Fire in my eyes and water pouring through the roof. And you heard I found a mine shaft digging past midnight. I crawled into the dark with cold canary gaslight. Tried to throw a rope down and didn't feel it pull back. Dead canary chirping now, cold blood in pitch black. I said, oh, 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 oh. I said, oh, oh. I said, oh, oh. I hope you enjoyed that.